Hello folks, it's GaryGSF. Just going to introduce another piece of equipment I've bought recently. Just to add to my video taking collection. Sounds a big important thing in video production. So I've bought this, bring it in, a Zoom H1n handy recorder. So I can sync good audio in from my videos. So, not going to do a stupid unboxing now. There's loads of those everywhere, and everyone knows how to unbox an item. But here, I'll show you now the item itself. Right, comes in a little cover, and that's it. Tiny little thing. Two microphones there, stereo production, and a record button and different things for playback. So what I'm going to do, at the moment I'm running on the onboard microphones of my Canon HF-G50. I'm going to run with that, then I'm going to put my trusty Boya BY-M1 lavalier microphone into it. Then I'm going to go to this with the onboard mics, and then I'm going to try the Boya in with it. So all manually set, and hopefully I'll get the levels right. So without further ado, we'll get the Boya into this camcorder. Now that's little Boya BY-M1 connected directly to the camcorder. I just so rate this little lavalier microphone for little over £10. It's such great sound quality. But you can tell me different if you think so on the comments down below. But I think for say £12 it was such a great buy. So we'll now go to the Zoom H1n. Right, that's now on the Zoom H1n. It's recording. I'll sync this in afterwards, and the sound quality is just, this is what's coming out of the standard microphones on the H1n. So let me know your thoughts. I will use it now and again like this, but I think mostly I'll use it with the lavalier microphone plugged in. So we'll switch to that and see how that goes. Let's say the Boya BY-M1 lavalier microphone is the next one in with the little H1n. So without further ado, we'll switch now. And this is a final little test now. This is probably the way I'll use this recorder more than anything, with the Boya BY-M1 plugged into the Zoom H1n. All these model numbers, it really does get to you. But it's a Zoom H1n with the Boya BY-M1 plugged in, and so they'll sync up the audio afterwards, and everything should go okay. So hopefully, if people have found this useful, I don't want to do an unboxing because everyone knows how to unbox something, but with sound quality, this is certainly important. So hopefully, if you've been looking for sound quality, this will do it for you. I'll give you an idea. So thanks very much. This is GaryGSF. Thanks for watching, and take care. Bye for now.